program is designed to help participants experience a life out of their bubble, reflect on some of the social issues as well as solution for them. The overall experience is going to help them broaden their perspective and sensitize them to the socio-economic issues as well as the environmental changes, and in turn we will help them develop a greater sense of compassion and gratitude.
I learned a method called service learning, which is basically when students learn skills, apply them in real life situations, and then assist their community in some way. And I also believe that not only does this type of learning help the community, but it also helps us individuals develop. I really developed as a 14-year-old girl, and in me I found a sense of gratitude that was heightened.
You need to identify why it is that you want to help these people, why you want to engage in a project, and what is driving you, what is giving you the motivation to help these people.
Hi, I recently attended the ALT workshop, which was a wonderful experience. The best part about it was the visits. We visited Samarpan, Panchvati and Gunj, and they're really inspiring, as I know that not everybody has the privileges that I do.
My favorite part of the workshop was the visit to Panchvati. I got to know that there's a very limited accessibility for the elderly.
What I feel is that my child is a very introvert child, and the marked difference that I saw in him after doing this program was that he became a little more sensitive and empathetic towards situations of people around him, be it a household maid, be it street dog.
Discuss what the characters are feeling, why they're being empathetic or not, and how is it showing in their actions. And you're going to role play.
Anything, because I'm sure when you ask those questions, you thought of something.
Yeah, I thought about the they don't know how to milk a cow. Nothing. They know nothing.
Teaching this class on campus that I teach people sign language, and we have usually 20-25 people take it every semester.
We are more than the sum of our parts. We are more than someone else's expectations of us. Don't let him tell you what you can't do. You are limitless.
We all want to inculcate these values in our children, but it doesn't come out so easy with children when it comes from us. I'm very thankful for this workshop, and the visit to these NGOs made a lot of impact. I think it was connected by a lot of professionals. They were shown a lot of videos on women empowerment also, and they had a lot of group discussions. I think it was a very good workshop, and I really hope you come to our school and different schools and spread the word around about this.
The world that we experience today has been shaped by the priorities and perspectives of the people that have already lived in it. Clearly, there's a need for a more inclusive growth. As parents, educators, and influencers like Orion, we have a role to play. Let's sensitize our upcoming generation to the issues of the world. Let's get them to engage with these issues, not just volunteer, but impact, inspire. Let's empower our incredible leaders of tomorrow who will make a difference.
Changed me in many ways, but the most prominent one is that it has convinced me and taught me that there are people in this country that require help, and it's my job and others' job to provide this help to them and aid them. Therefore, I'll be looking at startups and fundraisers and campaigns or anything like that that can make these people's lives easier. Thank you.